Good afternoon, it's Jim at Thunderbolt Lock, and I'm here today to show you an installation video on a 2022 Ford Transit, and we're working on the passenger front door. And I wanted to show you the location that best fits the Thunderbolt lock itself. It's low in the door and it mounts in front of the window regulator. It's very important that the clearance of the window will not impede any of the cables or the box itself. And you can see that where we have it, it clears everything good. The housing cable is going to come out of the left side of the case, and we're going to loop that around, and we're going to find a location somewhere in this area where we have room on the inside for the housing, and your deadbolt is going to drive out and meet the B-pillar on the side here. The override knob cable itself is going to come out of the right side of the box. It's going to run up here, and I plan on looping this. You always want to keep a soft bend into the override cable itself, and we're going to be able to operate the lock manually. And I think the best location is going to be right around here where I'll be able to pull that knob down. It's going to be hidden from view from the window of the passenger door. Again, the clearance of the window is what's really most important, and the location of the housing again is going to be on the end. We like to keep it up near the latch, as close to the latch as possible. It makes for a much more rigid installation. I'll update you with more information when this door is completed, and I'll see you then. Thanks. Bye-bye.